Hello and welcome to our idiom in a minute. This is Hanaa Said. Let's get started. Today we are gonna talk about this idiom. This is tough and this is cookie. What does it mean? A very determined and brave person. For example, there was a tough cookie here this morning asking for the manager. Another example, thankfully, you're a tough cookie. Quiz time. Complete the sentence. Maya is one space. Your answer is great, tough cookie. Let's recap. Tough cookie means if you say that someone is a tough cookie, you mean that they have a strong and determined character. Keep on trying.